Hello and welcome one more time to our channel. I hope you are having a great week, and this is Designed by Riveras. Bienvenido a toda mi gente de habla hispana y todos mis amigos latinoamericanos. Espero que le estén pasando muy bien. Mi nombre es Luis Rivera y este es el primer video que vamos a hacer hablando en inglés y en español. Espero que se queden hasta el final y que disfruten del siguiente review. Today's review, we are doing the review from the NYX foundation, who is NYX Born to Glow. I received a lot of comments and some requests to review this because some people told me this is a dupe from one high-end, like the ones we did it before. If you notice, in our videos, we are doing 1 week a drugstore foundation and other week we are doing a high-end, because these are supposed to be the dupes of this high-end foundation. We are testing them. Para toda mi gente, les estamos diciendo que esta foundation es la que vamos a hacer review el día de hoy. Este es un drugstore foundation and se supone que la próxima semana les vamos a mostrar cuál es el dupe o cuál es el comparativo de una marca de high-end. Feel waste my money on this product completely, okay? Why? Because they are selling me this like a foundation. This is not foundation. This is a tint. We start doing the process of application, and you see I try to apply half and a half portion of the 2 tones we are using, and you can see I throw a lot. Then we'll see how this react. Vamos a ver cómo reacciona este foundation, because saqué demasiado del empaque, entonces no sé si esto va a ser demasiado y voy a terminar cubriendo mucho. Now, how you know, in my videos I love to use brushes, then I am using half of the face with brushes. Right now I am really disappointed because somebody told me about this is a high-end dupe. I really don't know who think on that. I apply a lot and I don't like what I am seeing right now. I am very disappointed. You can see the color is, I don't like. What I decide, then I run and I change the brush. Very soon you will see a different brush, and the other half I will use Beauty Blender. And what I noticed, and you will see here in the video, is with the Beauty Blender apply a little better, but still the look is very greasy. And I'm sorry for be doing this face already because it's a review, right? Then I should be neutral until now, but already when something doesn't start working good at the beginning, for me it's so hard. Let's see, let's continue. Ahora, como pudieron ver cuando estaba hablando en inglés, apliqué la foundation primero con una brocha y luego tuve que cambiar a otra brocha porque la textura del producto era demasiado líquido y no cubría nada. Y aparte de ser demasiado líquido, se miraba demasiado grasoso. Entonces evité poner mucho, a pesar de que tenía mucho en mi espátula. Traté de poner poco, pero pueden ver ahora con el Beauty Blender se está seteando mejor, pero tampoco es un tono que me agrade. Además que ordené 2 tonos porque pues ahorita es difícil encontrar los tonos correctos para Tailandia. Igual no me gusta la tonificación. Ustedes pueden ver que prácticamente voy a tener que hacer un contouring para match el bronze color que ella tiene en su cuerpo. Vamos a ver cómo sigue esto. Okay, dear people, okay, mis queridos amigos, all the plans changed. Why? Because Tailandia was hating. No, sorry, she said she don't like I use that word. She said I need to say she don't was happy. I don't know. She don't was comfortable with the makeup because she feel the makeup was breaking down so bad. She feels so sweaty. She feels so greasy, and she don't like the texture she is having in the skin. And then she decide. I think so. After the last review we did it. She only hold for I think so 3 hours and a half when we did the check-in, and then hour and a half later she told me no, I cannot handle this. I don't like how I look tired. I don't like. And you will see the pictures in some of the video before she take out. Why? Maybe was our mistake. Yes, and I will say mine because I do the reviews. Why? Because when we look for this, we was looking for the dupes for high-end brands, and then we find more than 5 suggestions of this, like a foundation. This is not a foundation, this is a tint. Tint is a complete different thing than the foundation. Is the reason why when I apply that thing work completely different. Of course, a tint is not to be a full coverage. The tint is not supposed to be long wear. A tint is supposed to be only and special more to you can have an underglow for you apply on top of foundation. Based on that, I will give you still a rate for this tint, but because I already checked and I did the review and people say this was a dupe for some high-end, and I will show you the next week what is the foundation they was comparing this. It's crazy they say that, but okay. Anyway, I'm not mention any name, any channel, right? Then you can go and see whatever channel is talking about this foundation and they compare with that. It's crazy because if you want to use this for foundation, this have to be for somebody with a perfect skin, no pore, no texture, no undertone, no, a tint you use for you like a primer before you're full covered. Then will give you this beautiful glowy and nice skin effect, like a glowy and dewy, and you don't need to put too much highlighter and you don't need to put too much blue. It's when you want to look like a little sweaty but sexy and this kind of look, okay? Then I will rate still like a 10. Here you can see the final setting. I am not going to give you a review, but I know the people can read my face and can read my eyes, right? It's not bad. I don't want to say it's a bad, because for be drugstore, right? But you can see the final look, then you take your own opinion. I will say, and I want to let it know everybody from now, I am using the same primer with every single foundation, okay? To every foundation have the same opportunity and have the same level of rating. El look final, listo para fotografía, entonces no voy a decir nada por ahora, voy a tratar de mantenerme neutral, aunque sé que en mi cara se me leen las cosas. Lo que les puedo decir es, tomen su propia opinión, cómo se ve para fotografía. Es trabajable, puede funcionar, pero tengo algunos reviews que se los voy a dar al final del video. Sigan adelante y les voy a dejar un poco, mientras les leo la descripción del producto, les voy a dejar un poco del full process.
This is how it looks right now. I did my makeup 5 hours ago. 4 hours. Well, I didn't. Luis did it. How done? Well, my makeup was done at 11 a.m. this morning, and 3 hours later I went to do my workout. And after the workout, this is how it looks. So after my workout is 4 hours later. So this is the process. I do feel the makeup that I do have makeup on, and of course then it's just this area. I don't feel greasy at all. It feels dry, but just slightly moist around this area ever since the beginning. And overall I do feel that I have makeup on, so I believe it looks light. I do not know, but the makeup artist Luis, he knows how it looks, but for me, I do know that I have makeup on. I believe it doesn't qualify for my personal use. I will not buy it because I'm a very active person. As you may know, if not, I'm very active. 11 a.m. makeup, 3 p.m. I did my workout. I was done up by 4 o'clock, and overall I just can't wait to take it off. And I feel like all stickiness, my eyeliner, and normally doesn't feel that way, and with this makeup it does. And I have wear makeup over 5 hours. And also here I see like on my forehead something. There's no makeup there. I feel like a patch. I don't know how it went away. I didn't touch my forehead there. And also here as well. And now that I see it in the mirror. So the type of skin that this can work for is for a person that may have just a natural, no imperfection, and they have like the perfect matte pearl face that they do not need coverage. If you need coverage and you have imperfections, I don't think it's the makeup for you. It will be with someone that has already the perfect skin tone and is pearl.
Based on the tint, I would say in the application, if this is a tint, then for sure, it's 8 of 10. It's a good application. It's soft, it's light. I wish really, I promise to give a trial and the right way to use. I will find the match with NYX foundation for this tint, and then I will make a full makeup using only NYX product in the future. For setting, I would say for Via Tint even did it best than what I was expecting then, right? Coverage, no, don't have a coverage. Tints are supposed to have a coverage, okay? Long last, no, of course no. Price, please, is NYX. It is more than, I would say, 8 of 10, Then, oh, by the way, I am not giving you the number, right? Application, I will say 8 of 10. Setting, I will say 8 of 10. Coverage, no, I don't want to give because it's not supposed to be in this category. Long last, I don't want to do too because it's not supposed to be long last. Price, I will give you what I say, 9 of 10. And flawless, I need to try that. Then I cannot give you a rate from that. Para mis amigos en español, si escucharon en inglés lo que mencioné, los rates los mantuve todavía a pesar de que esta no es una foundation, porque el error de esto fue que al ver los reviews y la investigación que yo hice de los productos de farmacia que podrían servir como comparación para los high-end, mucha gente me mencionaron esto, pero esto no es una foundation, esto es un tint. Un tint no es lo mismo que una foundation, un tint solo es un primer que te sirve para darte un efecto ya sea matte o ya sea como de piel fresca, ¿ok? Entonces esto no funciona para eso. Por lo tanto, Dilandia al final, a almost como las 4 o 5 horas, ya no se sentía satisfecha porque obviamente no es un producto para cubrir. Por esa razón, solo le di un rate como general. Voy a decir que como tint trabaja entre 8 y 7 el promedio de la calificación que yo le daría, porque no es malo, la verdad. Siento que desperdicié producto al final porque pues yo lo estaba trabajando como una foundation y no es una foundation. Tint solo necesitas poner un layer muy delgadito nada más, porque si no, entonces ocurre lo que me ocurrió, se vuelve grasoso, se vuelve muy líquido y terminas usando un producto innecesario. Por otro lado, lo que les quiero mencionar es que les prometo hacer un full makeup with NYX y tratando de usar este tint con el match de la foundation de la misma marca, que trabajen para enseñarles cómo se debe ver. Espero que les haya gustado y quédense hasta el final para que vean todo el look y el resultado después de 6 horas. Okay, everybody, thank you so much to be one more week with us. I appreciate every time you come here. Thank you to subscribe to our channel. Remember, keep liking, send us a comment, send your love, give it the heart, go to our social media, and remember, we are near to the 100 subscribers. If and this week you are looking this video because we pre-record all our videos, and still we don't arrive to the 100. I hope for this time I am asking you for the 200, and the next video we are giving the first giveaway in our channel. I hope you will be part of this. Thank you so much. See you in the next one, and this was Luis and Dilandia. Bye.